Hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's learn about price action strategy. Let's open Sun TV network 1 hour time frame chart. First of all, we need to find market trend. From the long term perspective, we can see market is in a uptrend. Then we can draw a parallel channel to understand the market movement. Then we can draw another parallel channel here. Then we can draw Fibonacci retracement to know where the market will get the support and resistance. Draw Fibonacci from the bottom level to the top. We can draw horizontal support and resistance zone. We can see a head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder and head and the right shoulder, and it break the neckline as well. Then we can draw another parallel channel. We can place a short position above this level, and when it got triggered, then we can place the stop loss and target. Wait for the price action. And our short position got triggered, so we can place stop loss above this candle and keep the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. We won the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. Reason behind the trade: first of all, market is in an uptrend. We can see a trend reversal pattern, a head and shoulder pattern, and claim got breakout happened here as well. Second reason, we can see a parallel channel got breakout happened here. And third reason, we can see a flag pattern, down flag pattern, it also got breakout happened here. Fourth reason, we can't see any strong Fibonacci retracement level. Fifth reason, market has chance to retest the parallel channel. This 5 reasons we took the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. Thank you for watching my video. If you get any knowledge about price action strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.